Hello, in front of me I've got Seat Leon. In this video I'll show you how to install towing hook. In the beginning, take a look at the trunk of your car. Right here in this bag you can find towing hook. Let's take it. If you want to tow somebody, right here we've got this part we have to remove. And to remove it, we have to press firmly on the top of it. Now let's screw in the towing hook. To screw it in, you have to twist it left, and it's done. To remove it, twist it right. And to put it back, press it from the bottom. Now let's take a look at the front of the car. The same part is located right here. The procedure is the same. Press from the top, remove and screw in towing hook. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.